Hello! Alright, so the last couple of videos I showed you how to open things. Hopefully you've got that, hopefully you've practiced it, and if you've had problems, hopefully you've googled an answer. If not, message me. The obvious next step is after you open something is how do you close it? And that's what we're going to cover today. We're going to cover how to save files in Pandas. So it's basically the exact same workbook, same data, but this time we're going to be saving it. I'm going to do a bit of live coding, which is one of my biggest fears. Tiniest bit of live coding. Right, okay, so as usual, import Pandas or import whatever module you're using. Let's open a CSV file. Easy enough done. We covered that the last time, so if you don't know, head over to that video. Info, this is just things I like to do. I like to see what the data is made up of. Then look at the head. And then we're going to be like, okay, let's describe the data. That's what the data looks like. Lots of decimal points there. But maybe that's the way we want it. So this is how you save a CSV. So I'm going to call it describe data or disk data. Whoa, oops, there we go. And we are going to take disk data. And this is so simple. It's so simple. It's harder to do thing if you were to save a CSV in Python just alone without Pandas. It's a lot more work. But with Pandas, makes your life so easy. So we go to underscore CSV. So you're saying send it to a CSV. Now I need to check. Oh, so this is the folder system that we're going to be saving the data into. We need to go. Those little things that I can't remember the name of. Data. And then we're going to call it disk data dot CSV. And I don't know why anytime I write data, I always capitalize it. It's really annoying. And because we're using see what I did there? Incorrect. That goes into the to CSV. And Pandas will automatically kind of parse it as a CSV because you've got .csv at the end and you're using to CSV. So that's that. Simple as that. That is how you save a CSV.